Since we're too poor to buy fancy shit, we have to build our own. So this is how you build a seat hinge. I'm gonna knock off all the slag, then we'll grind it to make it all fucking fresh. Right. So now I'm gonna drill the holes in the side. So I put this up on the top, kind of where I want it. Slide my soapstone in. I get a dot. This is the part that sits onto the seat. This little round part will go onto the frame. Then this will slide into this very tightly. Like that. That gets welded onto that. So this one, since I'm going onto round bar, I'm going to have to take this out. Because if it's like that, then it's not going to hit. So I'm going to have to take like a little piece of square or something. Square solid. And then just weld it like that so that it'll hinge. Too many close. I'm gonna put tons of padding so that it'll actually sit, like it'll look like it sits right on it. Now I'm upholstering the metal seat pan that the hinge connected onto. Springs work, so does the hinge.